Hello guys and welcome back. Thanks for tuning in on a new episode. Well, today I'm going to be showing you how to fix a Apple Pen that's not connecting to your iPad. So the other day I got this new iPad. It's M4 14-inch Pro. But the thing is, the pen, I really like drawing and doing tutorials for you guys out there. But it doesn't help when the pen's not working. So here I'm going to help you guys troubleshoot the problem. So the first step, guys, is make sure that your pen is charged. So it says it's charged. So the way you figure that out is you put it on in 87%. So it's pretty much charged. Second thing, guys, too, is I want to look at the Bluetooth connection. So I'm going to go over here to settings and Bluetooth. Bluetooth is on, but you need to turn it off. Let it rest for a little while. Turn off your iPad. And then you're going to turn it back on. So we're going to log on here. Now, once you turn it back on, it should reset everything. Perfect. And then you're going to turn back on the Bluetooth. And you're going to just tap it back gently back on the screen. There you go. So now it's showing that it's working. It's on. But we have to test it. So we're going to go back and Procreate here. And we're just going to go here. And we're going to try and see what's going on. Because it is really strange. We're going to come down here. Bluetooth's on. Now we're going to try and see if it works. So you see with my fingers, I can tap it, right? But the thing is, it's not working, you know? So the next step too, guys, is to look at the tip and see what's going on. So you're going to put that tip here. And now we're going to try again. So just remove the tip and retry it. If that's still not working, guys, I would want to change the tip out because it could be a problem with the tip. And you know, we're not sure, we don't know all this stuff, right? So we're gonna get a new tip, guys, and see if it's a tip, because it could quite possibly be the tip, a faulty tip. Okay, let's put on a tip here. Because recently, guys, Apple, you know, the quality and stuff, you know, it's really sometimes not as good. So we know it's not the tip, okay? So now we know there's another problem to it, guys. So we're gonna put on the tip. We're gonna plus a new screen. Okay. Now full screen. And we're gonna figure out the brushes. So this is really, really strange because it's still not working, guys. So let's go back. Bluetooth, Apple Pencil Pro. We're just gonna forget that device. We're gonna forget it now. And we're gonna put it back on like that. And we're gonna reconnect it, guys. So we're just gonna wait here a little while till we see it in our devices here. Okay, so we're just waiting and now connected. It says connected, so we're gonna take it off. And there's still nothing. So it's really strange. So now it's still not going at all. We're gonna change the color, guys. So you see, I can color on my finger, but the pen, there's no go. So the next step I would try to do, guys, is to go back to settings, Apple Pencil now, and we're gonna see what's going on. So yeah, it's not working for sure. Let's go back to Bluetooth. Nope. Let's go back. Okay, so guys, I figured out that the Apple Pencil is not working. The best thing to do is call Apple Care, and they can figure that out for you. Well, anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in on this video. We tried all the troubleshooting shooting techniques. We got nowhere really, but hopefully we can figure this out, and hopefully it can work soon. Well, thanks for tuning in. Take care.